Hello everyone, this is Hemant Kudake and I am Japanese language trainer. This video I made, with the purpose. I want to tell you guys that I will be making some videos to learn JLPT N5 level grammar pattern and kanjis and particles, various particles to all the students. So I will be posting some video recording on my YouTube channel, ProUpSkill, complete Japanese with ProUpSkill. So you guys can check my videos to understand the grammar patterns for JLPT N5. So currently I am working on JLPT N5 recordings. So even if you have any doubts, so you can comment me whatever the doubts you have. So I will try to make a video on that particular grammar pattern or kanjis like that. So I hope this would help to everyone to crack the JLPT N5 exam. I will be uploading regular videos on this channel, so please subscribe this channel so you will get a notification whenever I upload the video. And we will also try to cover some live sessions as well. Whenever you have doubts, we will try to cover those session in my live session as well. YouTube live. I will try to make YouTube live as well. So be in touch and let's subscribe the channel. Hi. Mata ne.